Module 3 Reflection by Celeste Mays. Interpersonal communication. Defining communication. Communication is the management of messages with objectives of creating meaning. Communication occurs across many facets, such as cultures, channels, and media, including verbal and nonverbal messages, and even through technology. But what does effective communication look and sound like, and why is it so important? Views of communication. There's linear, interactional, and transactional. Linear is one way, feedback if any is delayed. Interactional, two-way, exchange of information is revised, clarified, and understood. Transactional, two-way, conversation is back and forth with shared meaning and understanding. Interpersonal communication is transactional. This means that other people are continuously and simultaneously exchanging messages. When conversing with others, there should be shared responsibility in the conversation. Be aware of perceptions, cultures, and perspectives other than your own. Also be aware of any body language and tone. You might be thinking, I communicate well with others, or I just don't communicate at all. The truth is, we are never not communicating. Listening, responding, and giving feedback. We communicate through nonverbal cues. Even when we don't say a word, we are still communicating. This communication is through nonverbal channels such as gestures and body language. Beware, you're doing it now. Are your eyes on the speaker? What is your body language communicating to the speaker?
Andrew's father, by the way, he got
I'm telling you, I can do it.
yeah, you can do it. This crazy-eyed, hairy beast man. He was like a Bigfoot or a Yeti or something. Just so you know, we didn't mean to follow you. We actually thought you were like a Yeti or something. Hi.
Set up the sugar dinner.
What? Yeti? Danny?
Hello?
Put aside the fact that you accidentally picked up my grandmother's ring and you accidentally proposed to Rachel. People do this. I don't really know what that means. I'm sorry.
Listening. Listening involves a multitude of complex skills. Visually picturing what the person is saying, comprehending, making sense of what is being communicated, recalling, stating the ideas discussed in your own words. Responding. We respond to the speaker in two different stages. 1, while the person is talking, and 2, after he or she stops. Head nods, smiles, and eye contact let the speaker know that you are responding to what they are talking about. After the person is through talking, asking for clarification through questioning or addressing a topic that was discussed through paraphrasing is also a response. Feedback. Be congruent, be concise, be direct, be descriptive, be culturally sensitive, be timely. Seek, clarify, and problem solve. So seek to understand others before being understood. Give people control of the conversation. Clarify any misunderstandings and focus on what the issue is at hand. When working with others, we want everyone to be able to come to an agreement. Work within your sphere of influence.